We at DigiProces understand digitalization as the process to achieve much more efficient processes as well as error-free processes, giving as a result better customer satisfaction and better business agility. In early 2020, DigiProces decided to create his own digitalization strategy with a strong support from the leadership team. Today we are proud to say that this strategy is completed and it has been a success. Lots of projects in different areas like the supply chain, in maintenance, in process engineering, in production, as well as in the people and talent department. And I will now give you a brief on a couple of these projects. The digital twin from our product department, it means that today we are able to predict how a new product will perform in our production plant before starting any real production process. When we start the production, our operators will have digital work instructions. What it means is that the documentation package they are using for the manufacturing of the products comes directly from the documentation package of our customer. So behind these documents there is a database. It's real intelligent material that they are using. And this is the genetics of our traceability system with materials and with processes. In general, I would say that what we achieved thanks to digitalization is an acceleration of the decision-making process, also simplification of our operations, and also these daily repetitive tasks that everyone does, now we can say that they are almost error-free. And all this thanks to this technology, the digitalization of all the processes. The difficult part here is the cultural change. What it means is we need to train these people on this new technology, and training them is not an easy task. You will ask why? Well, because they are afraid on adapting this new technology. They don't know what will happen afterwards. But once we have them trained, once they have accepted this new culture, then we have a totally new employee. An employee that will be able to perform much better with much added value to each and every task he does. There are many impacts on the relationship with our customers or with our suppliers. But to name one, I would say that the satisfaction we have when we see that we are able to find root causes on problems we had in our manufacturing this fast. This is really nice because we can provide a feedback to our customer in a matter of hours, as well as fix the problem in our production also very, very fast. Today we are already starting using AI in different areas. And for example, we are using AI to generate the videos for our work instructions. If I was to say something about this, what I would say is that in the end, the project took more time than what we initially scheduled. And yeah, sometimes when thinking about a project like this, we tend to be more optimistic, but these little details make your project be longer.